Hi there, welcome to Kevin's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you how to rebuild the window switch of an OBS GMT400 Suburban. This fix also applies to the other models of the GMT400 series. First, we're going to start off with the tools needed for the job. A flathead screwdriver and a rag, or a plastic trim pry bar, small pliers, dental pick and scraper, a piece of printer paper, scissors, deoxit electronic spray, and compressed air. I have links to all these tools in the description. I get a small kickback from Amazon when you use those links, and it doesn't cost you any extra, so thank you for the support. As you can see, the passenger window goes up and down just fine from that side, but the driver's side control doesn't work going up. This is a good indicator that there is some corrosion inside the switch keeping it from working. It was a cold day, so sorry for the shaking hands. Start by using the screwdriver or trim tool to pop off the switch plate. Be careful as the plastic and wires are old and could be brittle. Remove the two plugs for the window switch module. The module is held in place by these two tabs. Remove the bottom of the module to access the circuit board and pins to inspect for corrosion and damage. If the board is burnt and not working, you'll likely have to replace it. This one looks good with mild amount of corrosion, so I'll continue to rebuild it. Use a flathead screwdriver to lift up one of the edges of a switch button. Once one side is free, it is easily removed. Then remove the dust cover. This is also old, so be careful that it doesn't break apart while removing it. With access to the fiber optic lights, carefully remove them by loosening the tabs with a dental pick. Continue using the dental tool to remove the switch covers. Be careful since they come off suddenly. I kept my parts arranged in the same configuration so assembly can go smoothly. If you liked the video so far, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thanks! Now back to the video. Now we can inspect the actual switches. The black spots are apparent corrosion that needs to be removed. Start by cutting your printer paper like this, then cutting them off so you have a bunch of little strips. Take a strip and put it between the two contacts. Press down on the switch and pull the paper out. This should feel very similar to cleaning a set of ignition breaker points. Note that I use printer paper since it is less abrasive and won't damage the contact point in the switches. Once all the points have been scraped with paper until the paper comes out clean, spray the whole unit with deoxit. It will help remove any corrosion that the paper didn't remove. I use compressed air to clean up the excess liquid. Everything looks good, so now it can be put back together in the same way it came apart. Plug it back into the door and make sure it works before reassembling the trim. Thanks for watching Kevin's Garage. I hope this video was informative and helped you with your project. I always enjoy fixing something instead of throwing it away and buying a new one. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click those links below. See you next time.